there everyone! It's great to be here with you today for another video. I'm excited to dive into the topic of how to conduct keyword research for local SEO. Let's get real about local SEO. It's a game changer for businesses wanting to thrive in their local communities. But to unlock its true potential, you've got to master the art of keyword research. So what's the deal with keywords? And how can you research them effectively? Keywords are like the breadcrumbs that lead potential customers to your digital doorstep. They're the words and phrases people type into search engines when they're on the lookout for local service or products. Begin by making a list of keywords that relate to your business. Think about your location, what you offer, and any specific industry terms. Imagine you run a New York City flower shop. Keywords like New York City florist or flower delivery New York City and local flower shop in Manhattan would be on your list. Make the most of keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, Uber Suggest, and Google Autocomplete. These tools offer insights into search volume and competition, helping you refine your keyword list. Once you've got your list, it's time to put it into action. Ensure your keywords naturally fit into your website's content, meta descriptions, and headers. Don't forget to think about creating location-specific landing pages if your services cover multiple areas. Now that you're armed with the knowledge to conduct top-notch keyword research for local SEO, you're ready to boost your online visibility and attract more local customers to your business. Before I wrap things up, here's a golden nugget of advice. Local SEO is an ongoing journey. Keep an eye on how your selected keywords perform and be prepared to adjust your strategy when needed. Remember, providing valuable location-specific content is the secret sauce for climbing up in local search results. Thanks a million for joining me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to conduct keyword research for local SEO. See you in my next video.